Hannah is going to go through how she made mouse cat toys.
Put all these things out.
Okay?
Then you make it look sad and put its tail up there. And its ears down. Haley, can you get out of the way? And then you put that on top. Bring it over. Fine. Get the tips together. Pink. Then you sew it off. No, it's not even stitching it anymore.
Uh-oh. Did it run out of yarn?
No.
Red?
No.
Oh, that's how you do it?
Little one.
Okay. And then what do?
You put some catnip,
What kind do you have over here?
passion flower, and silver vine.
Okay.
Stick it in his mouth. Blink.
Oh.
Where's that stuff? We lost. Oh, that was hot. Mix the catnip around. Why is it so quiet? Why is it so quiet?
Dad's home. Got the little boys lined out. Yes, Miles, you. Oh, are you cleaning?
Yeah.
Good. Now what are you doing?
I'm making the crease in the ear.
Okay.
My first one was a bit better, but
It's okay. Just keep working at it.
we learned from our mistakes.
Now she's sewing up the mouth. Is that what you're doing?
Yes. Well, nose/mouth.
Nose and mouth.
Well, it's going to
Oh my. How did you do the last?
Figured it out, just having some difficulties. Stop.
It was so cute. These are so cute. You want to tell how you got the idea to make these?
I got a new Christmas kitten the other day. So I wanted to make it something special. And I was like, what if we make it a mouse?
Yeah.
So we made it a mouse.
So that's how she got the idea, and now she's selling them.
Because my kitten really loves it.
And did it keep you that night? He had scratched her in the face.
Yeah, I didn't get any sleep that night. So that's why I put some catnip in it to make him a little bit calm.
And now he doesn't scratch you in the face when you're sleeping.
What are those sticky notes you had for the customer?
I'm kind of...